I have the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P, and I'll be showing you how to change the wheel function on this gimbal, right? So by default, it's set to zoom, especially in the DJI MIMO app. And so you need to launch that app if you want to change the function. So make sure you have the DJI MIMO app, go ahead and launch it, and then go to the camera viewfinder, and then tap on the three dot button in the top left corner, and then select gimbal for the gimbal mode. And then in the gimbal menu, you should see side wheel mode, and you can see it's set to zoom. So if you tap on that, you can change it to manual focus, or you can change it to off. Basically, you can turn it off by selecting that. But your two options are zoom and manual focus. All right. So if you want manual focus, just tap on that. It's gonna change to manual focus. And if it was on manual focus and you want it zoom, you change it to that. You can also turn it off if you want to. All right. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.